Welcome back to it Mapagania. Ngiphethe uDes unjani bhuti?
Ngimnandi uThamfele.
Ngimnandi Des. How do you see the game today? Score prediction iPagani izodlala kanjani?
Siwelela uTham siwele sina that thing mfowethu. Mina ngibona ngathi le game last time sibadlile I see this game going to penalties or something but extra time and penalties so very slightly draw 90 minutes.
Okay, so i-draw yakhona is it going to have goals or is going to be nil draw?
Obvious amagoli azoba khona I think 2-2 or 1-1 izovele ibe khona namhlanje uTham.
Okay, you hearing it Mapagania. It's going to be a difficult game for Mutes. We're going to play a game ne. Who would you rather start between Ndishini? Ngiphethe uSilepe ngiphethe uNduli. Who would you rather start?
uNduli uTham.
Between uNduli noMakhawula.
uMakhawula.
Between uMakhawula no bani no Master Chef.
uMakhawula ndoda.
Between uMakhawula no Tito.
Ambulance.
Tito. Between uTito no Rile because we know uRile naye manje sebamfaka endishini.
Ngiyabona sebamphutshela ka eish. uRile ndoda.
Between uRile noMbatha.
uRile ndoda.
You've heard it Mapagania. Rile is the ultimate winner. Bopa.